Kilauea Bay is a beach tourism object located in Bumisari Natar, Tanggamus Regency, Lampung Province with marine tourism potential, and is famous for the large number of dolphins and whales around Kilauea Bay. Teluk Kilauea is also famous for its natural beauty and a paradise for reliable anglers. Because every year a fishing competition is held which is participated by reliable anglers from all over Indonesia. Kilauea is now a popular tourist destination among backpackers. The existence of a tourist attraction with a fairly extreme route also invites the curiosity of hunters of exotic nature who are looking for a different tourist experience. Kilauea, or completely called Pekon, Kilauea Negeri, Kelumbayan District, Tanggamus Regency. This does offer a truly exotic atmosphere. This village can be reached from Bandar Lampung after 3 until 7 hours traveling via a hilly route that offers a charming view. The route from Bandar Lampung passes through Teluk Betung, Lempasing, Common Headquarter, Brigif, Three Marines, Padang Cermin, Bawang Kelumbayan village until arriving at Pekon Kilauea Negeri. The feeling of being freed from the routine of urban life is very pronounced because this village has not been touched by the PLN network, and the Kelpon network can only be found if we go up the hill. One of the highlights of tourism in Teluk Kilauea is a very dominant participation of the local community. Most of the local residents provide their house as homestay for tourists who come to Kilauea. Local people who generally work as fishermen and lobster farmers also rent out their boats for dolphin watching, snorkeling, and fishing at fairly low cost. Another attraction is the friendliness of the residents who make the tourists feel at home for long in Kilauea. Although managed independently by the community, the natural condition of Kilauea Bay is very well preserved. The preserved beauty of the Kilauea area cannot be separated from its tourism management, which is oriented toward the concept of eco-family tourism. This is thanks to the assistance of the Cikal Ecotourism Foundation, an NGO that cares about the development of community-based ecotourism. In the midst of the simplicity, Kilauea tourism has transformed into a promising source of livelihood for the residents, but still priorities sustainable environment sustainability. Transportation access to the Kilauea Bay. From the center of Bandar Lampung to Teluk Kilauea, it takes about 90 kilometers. However, the road to Kilauea Bay is not too smooth, so you will often find roads and are still rocky, unpaved, and not sloping. You have many choices of transportation mode to travel to Teluk Kilauea, such as using a motorbike or private car. If you are a tourist, you can rent a car with a price range of 400,000 IDR to 600,000 there per day. This cost of course includes the cost of gasoline and driver. And the trip you can do is when you decide to travel to Teluk Kiluan, maybe you have to give up on finding star hotel in the first area. There is only Teluk Kiluan, which is simple like a wooden cottage. Some local residents also rent out rooms in their homes for tourists with a homestay concept. The range of rates for staying per night in Teluk Kilua started from 150,000 Indonesian rupiah to 500,000 Indonesian rupiah. The features that exist in Kiluan Bay, among others. The first is amazing beautiful view. You can explore the scenery in this by going around the island using a katir boat with your friend. Kiluan Bay has a beautiful view with stunning white sand, gradation of seawater that is blue and green. The water is shallow and clear enough to make you so freely look at the coral reef and ornamental fish waving at each other as if calling you to join together. In addition, the side of the beach which is filled with large blackish rock with trees above make this area a very good photo spot. Saw dolphin. So here it is, the extraordinary charm that is the most attractive on this tour, namely seeing a dolphin. You have to go to Kiluan Beach by renting a boat that is already available. Now for their hospitality, you can see hundreds of dolphins dancing close to the boat. The dolphins here are very familiar, so don't worry. Why are there so many dolphins here? This bay is the migration route of two types of dolphin, namely the larger gray bottlenose dolphin and the smaller long-billed dolphin. Because the dolphins here are claimed to be the largest in Asia, even the world. Wow, really cool, right? Don't forget to capture the moment when they have a attraction. Make a memories. The third is swimming in Laguna Gayau. Another interesting spot is Laguna with the name Laguna Gayau. The Gayau Lagoon or natural swimming pool is located behind the hills of this bay. To get to your Laguna Gayau spot, it takes approximately 30 minutes by passing beautiful coastal scenery. You are also required to buy a ticket which is pegged at 5,000 Indonesian rupiah per person. The beauty of Laguna Gayau is formed by a basin on the beach and bordered by wall rock. Wow, absolutely beautiful. This lagoon with a depth of about 1 to 3 meters has a dazzling beautiful with its water that is very clear and fresh, making you cannot stand it if you don't splash in here. Thank you.